All right, guys, we're doing Say Something by Great Big World. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2. Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. Anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. All right, so not much to do here in this first piano part here. I will be teaching the complete lesson series for this on my website, webpianoteacher.com. But I'm not only going to show you the piano part in this, but also how to put the melody in the right hand. Okay, so that'll be in the more advanced lessons on the website. All right, so let's get started here with our part one. We start with a D right above middle C. And we're going to just go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. And then this will go a little quicker leading into the next measure. So you have a B minor chord here, F sharp, B, D. The little notes we'll talk about later. They're not relevant here this first time. Left hand on a B right here. 1, 2, and you can use pedal right there. You can use pedal in the beginning too. 2, 3. Count 3, you'll have G, B, D. That is a G major chord. Left hand on G and D, that's a 5th. Okay. And one more D. Okay, so let's tie that together. You who are beginners, all right, this is an appropriate beginner lesson, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now we get into the next measure here. We have F sharp, A, D. Okay, it's a D chord. Left hand on a D, A, D. 1. Count 2 is the same D. Then we have this dissonance. So we have an A chord, A, E in the left, right hand A, and then C sharp, but we have the dissonance of the D in there still. So we have that D all the way through. It's kind of the note that just ties everything together. Okay, so we do it all from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Don't rush. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we repeat back. See the 5 there with the bracket? Well, the 5 times serves for the introduction, as well as 4 times where while the singing is going on, and then we get to the next part. Okay. All right, so we'll do it, the intro, and we'll do it maybe, I don't know, 2 times instead of 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Don't rush. 3. You repeat it again. You start singing. Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'll just keep going. Here's the 3rd time. What's the word? I'll be the one. Oh, nope. I'll be the one if you want me to. There we go. And then we have this one. Follow you. No, I can't remember the words. Anywhere I would have followed you. And then we go up. Say something, I'm giving up on you. 2, 3, 4. All right, so there's our part 1. See you on webpianoteacher.com. We'll finish it as well as learn how to put the right hand in there as a piano solo. Put the melody in there. Talk to you guys later.